Guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a plant caddy. So if you're not familiar with what they are to move heavy plants, but a lot of people actually use these for multi-use. So they use them to move different things instead of just plants. You can use them to move other heavy objects. So this is a 2-pack. Let's go ahead and show you what they look like. Right away, we can see that they definitely do look like in good quality. This pack came already assembled, so that's a plus. No assembly needed. You just simply open up the package and it's ready to go. It is made out of wood, and that's authentic wood. That's not the fake wood. So it's simple. You have something heavy on here and you're able to move it around with ease. Craftsmanship is very beautiful. Everything is very basic and simple. The wheels also lock, so you have across from each other, the wheels lock. So if you turn it down, the wheels no longer spin. So that would keep it from moving around too much. Overall, I'm actually very impressed. I wasn't expecting them to be this nice or this high quality, but I am very impressed. Check out the listing for more details on this. But overall, so this is my hand. I have a fairly big hand, so you can fit a nice pot on here or to move something fairly heavy on here. So keep that in mind. Overall, very nice. Very, very nice.